Can you keep a wild bird as a pet? The question should rather be, should you keep a wild bird as a pet? And the answer is no. Sure, there are some extraordinary circumstances, but wild birds should remain in the wild. If a bird is unable to be rehabilitated, then you might consider giving it a loving home. Other than that, you shouldn't remove birds from the wild to make them your pets. Please avoid people selling wild birds. Do not support them. There are many captive raised birds needing homes. Furthermore, it is cruel to remove birds from their natural habitat for your selfish needs. If you do want to home a bird, then consider birds that are accustomed to living in captivity. However, please avoid people and businesses that specifically breed wild animals and capture the wild birds to sell. If they do not have people supporting them, it undermines this cruel trade. So the short answer is no. You cannot capture and tame a wild bird as your pet. Issues with keeping wild birds as pets. On that note, there are often times when people have found injured or sick birds. Before you attempt to rescue it, it is critical that you contact a nature center or wildlife rehabilitation that can offer the best advice. Keeping wild birds as pets is awfully cruel. Aside from the moral aspect, there are also legal issues. Some areas have made it completely illegal. The United States is one of these areas. In the U.S., is illegal. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for watching.